So Ashmusy sent me a DM telling me about somebody that scammed her because she wants very dark man to help her recover the money. Ashmusy asking VDM for help. Wow. Wonder shall never end. Wow. This same very dark man that you called a pig. Alright, so I just opened my DM now, and guess who sent me a message? Ashmusy. So Ashmusy sent me this message saying, VDM, how are you? See, you need to help with this case. Then she sent me a number. Then she said, this bastard has held my hard-earned 33 million for over a year and I've refused to bring a dime. He's rather posting on his status showing how happy he is. I got scammed by 5 different people last year. I lost so much. This has kept me in a state of confusion, which caused several oversights for me. Fucking hell, man. I never knew a day like this would come. You know? Now, I knew something was off the day this girl followed me, right? She followed me last month. Immediately she followed me. I was the one that DM'd her first because it was weird. I sent her a message. I said, you didn't just follow a pig. Followed by the screenshot where she called me a pig. That time that I was helping one guy that gave her money for advert that she didn't do. She chopped the money. When the guy asked her for the money, she said, can't you leave 1 million for fine boy? So I was dragging her to get that money back, you know. Then she called me a pig. This is what she said during that time. She said, oh, very dark pig, please shut up. You have been seeking my attention for months. Now you have it. So you are coming to me, very dark man, where you call pig, make it help you collect money. Wow, come. Now, moving forward, when I sent her this message, she quickly responded by saying, laugh at my answer. I did. To be honest, I am not one to create enmity or fight with anyone at all. I wrote all that with anger, regretted 2 minutes later. Then I did not respond. So all these apologies where Ashmusy been they do. Nobody say she won't really apologize to me for calling me a pig. Because she knows she if you just come meet me, say somebody is owing her. So she use all this one, use all this style, apologize and all that. Now she don't talk with their mind. Okay, you know say the time when you collect person money, when the person asks you, you say leave 1 million for fine boy. Can't you leave fine for fine girl? Can't you leave 33 million for fine boy? I beg now, leave 33 million. What be the guy name? Obinna Martins. He's a fine boy. When you chop these people money, when you not take advantage of all these people, you don't know how they pay. Now they don't chop your own. Nobody did now. You don't come in VDM and they can't help you. You don't try, no work. Do you understand? You don't come meet me now. Make the same pig. Pig. I want to talk now like pig if I want to help you. All right.